Somebody can just take your breath for me real quick. Thank you for fight me so.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Where all things are beautiful. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and press the subscribe button. Do remember to like, do remember to share, and do remember to comment. As you can see by the title of this video, I prepared a little makeup tutorial for you today, and it has been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial. It's not a full one. I'll be really in and out of this video because I had a lot of fight. I had a lot of fight from the background. I had a lot of noise and I just couldn't do it. Anyways, guys, let's not talk too much and get right into our video. Okay, now people, I don't know why it box me so. And I'm not even summer yet. I'm at bad. Some wipes. Well, my wipes, as I showed you in the previous video. And guys, I don't know why the bumper feel like he must come in my face right here. So I don't know about that judge me, but my fingernail them because I know so we're in a quarantine time and I can't go out to get them done. So they take a little time and pop up.
Hey beat queens, first I'm starting off with my brows, and I'm using my MAC pencil to arch my brows. I'm using the MAC pencil to fill in the brows just to get it to the desired shape that I'm looking for. So next you'll be seeing me using a hairnet just to secure my hair, and then I'll be going ahead to use my spoolie to brush my hair up in the upward motions just to make the hair look more natural.
Next, I'll be using my LA Pro concealer just to give me the desired shape that I'm looking for. You can use this LA Pro just to get whatever shape you are looking for, just same. So I'm also using a brush to clean my brows up, and I'm also going back in and use the LA Pro just to get a more defined shape.
So what you see me doing here is just to use LA Pro concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. And a fluffy brush just to clean it up before I go into my transition color, and I'm using a dark brown color. So I went back into my BH Cosmetics palette and I started using a orange shadow, and I was feeling really festive here, so I wanted to use a color that was gonna pop. You'll also see me be using yellow and white, and I'll also be using a fluffy brush just to blend these shadows together. So here you see me using a fluffy brush just to blend out my crease. Also be going back in with some shadows just to let it pop more, and then I'll be using some light color just to highlight my blue bones. So beatqueens, I don't know if you're like me, but if you're like me, you'll never attempt to do eyeliner on camera. So I had to do that real quick and come back. I'm almost through the eyes. I'm using a wipes just to clean my face up, and I'll also be using my milk of magnesia. Yes, I still do use milk of magnesia just to prime my face before I apply foundation. So the foundation you see me using here is my Maybelline SUPERSTAY, and I love this foundation. It appears orange because it gives an orange undertone on camera. However, guys, by the time I'm through with my makeup, you will realize it is not so orange as it appears on camera. I'm also going in with my LA Pro again just to highlight my face, and I'm highlighting the areas of my face that I need to pop. So guys, as you saw in my last clip, I started my highlighting and contouring process. I use a pencil shaped big brush just to blend out my highlighted areas, and I'll also be using a dark brown shadow to start my contouring. I'll be using a darker shadow powder here just to contour my face, and I'll be also using a translucent powder to set my face, to set all the highlighted areas that I want to pop. So guys, now I'm using a larger fluffy brush just to dust away all the excess powder, and I'm also using a darker shade foundation powder just to remove that excess powder you see here. Yeah, so we're almost at the end of my makeup tutorial, guys. You see me going in with my highlighter just to highlight the areas I want to pop, and I say that word a lot because yeah, a girl needs her face to pop. Also going in with my blush, and guys, I've explained earlier, I never liked dark blushes, but I'm getting to love them more now. But I also always want my blush to look very natural. I'm also using my setting spray, and the setting spray that I'll be using in this video today is the rose water. Yes, and I love it so much. So guys, for my lips, I'm using lipstick, and I've been wearing lip gloss a lot these days. I've had this lipstick for over years now. I've never used it before, so I thought I would just use it today, and I'm loving it. Yeah, so we're at the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for coming over. I hope you guys liked the video today, and we'll be seeing more of you. Yes, I hope to be making more of these videos for you guys.